Hello friends, we have discussed about the arteries. Now we are going to discuss about the veins. Okay, veins. The main vein, which is the content of the parotid gland, is the retromandibular vein. The retromandibular vein. Okay, retromandibular vein. Yeah, the main vein is the retromandibular vein. Then how this retromandibular vein is formed within the parotid gland. See, this is our parotid gland. This is our parotid gland. The superficial temporal vein is here. The superficial temporal vein is here. The superficial temporal vein here is the transverse facial vein. The superficial temporal vein is here. This is the superficial temporal vein. This vein joins with the maxillary vein. This vein joins with the maxillary vein. Okay, to form the retromandibular vein, which is written as RMV, which is written as RMV. It divides into common facial vein, divides into anterior and posterior divisions. This is the posterior division. This is the anterior division. Okay, anterior and posterior divisions. This anterior and posterior divisions, from this anterior and posterior division, it gives common facial vein and the facial vein. Common facial vein and the facial vein. From the posterior division, posterior auricular and external jugular. Posterior auricular and external jugular vein are given. Okay. So this is the veins within the parotid gland. I repeat once more. The superficial temporal vein joins with the this is the maxillary vein. These two veins join to form the retromandibular vein within the parotid gland, which divides into anterior and posterior divisions, giving branches common facial vein. From the common facial vein, there is the facial vein branch. This is the posterior auricular branch. This is the external jugular vein branch. Posterior auricular and external jugular vein.